Imagine this: one innocent click on a phishing email in your office, and suddenly your entire manufacturing line grinds to a halt. How does this happen? And more importantly, how can you stop it? Let's dive in. You invest heavily in corporate cybersecurity. You install firewalls, enforce strict password policies, and deploy endpoint protection across your office computers. You expect these protections to cover your entire business. But there's a massive problem. The plant floor runs on a completely different technology environment. When executives assume corporate security automatically protects production lines, they leave massive gaps untouched. These vulnerabilities lead to unexpected downtime, lost revenue, and damaged customer trust. Today, we're going to explore why corporate security measures fall short on the factory floor. More importantly, we'll walk through practical steps you can take to secure your operations without hiring a full-time cybersecurity team. Let's start with the fundamental difference between IT and OT. Many manufacturers have successfully improved their office side security. However, information technology or IT and operational technology or OT serve entirely different purposes. IT centers on front-end informational activities. It manages data, users, and business applications like email and accounting software. The top priority here is data confidentiality. IT wants to keep sensitive information a secret. Conversely, OT focuses on back-end physical processes. These systems monitor and control the machinery, valves, and robotics that actually manufacture your products. OT prioritizes safety, operational continuity, and constant uptime. Because these two environments operate differently, they don't face the same risks. Applying the exact same security rules to both areas simply doesn't work. In fact, using traditional IT security tools on the factory floor often creates blind spots and friction. Standard office policies like automatic software updates or mandatory weekly reboots make sense for a laptop. But if you apply those directly to manufacturing equipment, they can cause disastrous interruptions. A forced reboot on an active assembly line halts production entirely. Furthermore, as connectivity increases on the plant floor, complexity and security concerns multiply. Every new connected asset introduces another potential vulnerability. Think about how closely linked your business environment and production environment are. If they're deeply entangled, a simple phishing email in the accounting department can spread directly to your manufacturing robotics. Consider a mid-sized manufacturing plant. They feel secure because corporate IT has endpoint protection and email filtering in place. An office employee accidentally clicks a malicious email link. The attacker gains access to shared network resources and moves laterally. The company suddenly discovers its production environment lacks proper separation from the office network. Production grinds to a halt. The company must physically isolate systems, limit access, and ensure machinery is safe before resuming normal operations. This can happen to global industry leaders. Ransomware attacks on major food processors have forced widespread plant shutdowns. I'll drop a link below if you'd like to book a 30-minute IT and systems risk checkup with me to see if you're in danger of this happening to you. So, how do you fix this? You can protect your manufacturing operations without overwhelming your budget or disrupting your daily workflows. Here are 4 clear actions to secure your production environment right now. Step 1. Map your technology assets. Identify exactly what OT and IT assets you own. You need to know what devices are connected, what information is exposed, and where your actual risks sit. You can't protect what you can't see. Step 2. Segment your networks. Create clear digital boundaries between your office computers and your production machinery. Proper segmentation ensures a routine office-side malware incident can't easily spread into the plant floor. Step 3. Tighten remote access. Manufacturing often relies on outside vendors and integrators to service machinery remotely. Secure these connection paths with strong authentication. Restrict permissions so users can only access the specific machines they need. Step 4. Build a comprehensive response plan. Develop an incident response strategy that includes your plant operations managers, not just corporate IT personnel. Everyone must know exactly what to do if production systems need to be isolated quickly. If your security strategy revolves exclusively around office technology, it fails to protect the essential systems that keep your production moving. But you don't have to tackle this challenge alone, and you don't need to hire an expensive full-time CTO to fix it. We help manufacturing leaders identify operational security gaps and reduce enterprise risk. Together, we can build a practical, cost-effective plan that secures your plant floor, improves your competitive position, and supports your business growth. Are you the president, owner, or CEO of a manufacturing firm generating 25 to 150 million in annual revenue who is struggling with outdated systems and cybersecurity concerns? Book a 30-minute IT and systems risk checkup with me. Together, we'll uncover your top 3 risks from legacy systems and cyber threats, and I'll share at least one practical, cost-effective way to enhance your security. No need for a complete overhaul.